Huawei has released a new foldable phone called the Mate X5 to compete with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This is the second foldable phone from Huawei this year, following the Mate X3. Huawei has been on a spree recently in releasing products, and now comes the second foldable for this year, the Mate X5. It shares several similarities with the predecessor model, Mate X3, released early this year and recently made globally available. The Mate X5 looks identical to the Mate X3, so much so that they feature the same screen sizes for both internal and external screens. The external cover screen measures 6.4 inches and the foldable screen on the inside features 7.85 inches. Both screens feature a 120 Hz high refresh rate. The key difference between the Mate X5 and the Mate X3 is the chipset powering the foldable phone. While the latter featured Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, the Mate X5 is reportedly powered by a new Kirin 9000 series chipset that is said to have been manufactured in China. This chip is capable of 5G speeds and is apparently also powering the recent Huawei Mate 60 series phones. The other noticeable change is the battery capacity on the new Mate X5, which is equipped with a 5060 mAh battery with 66-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging support. In comparison, the Mate X3 came with a slightly lower 4800 mAh battery with the same charging capabilities as the successor. For optics, the device equips 3 rear cameras featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens accompanied by a 12-megapixel periscopic telephoto camera. The front camera includes an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The other highlights of the Mate X5 include an IPX8 level rating for water and dust resistance. The device supports Bluetooth 5.2, dual-band Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth LE. It ships with Humming OS 4.0 out of the box. The colorways of the Mate X5 look quite appealing, especially the Phantom Purple, which stands out from the rest of the 4 options that the device comes in. The Mate X5 is currently up for pre-sale in China through Huawei's Mall platform. It comes with 12GB or 16GB of RAM options accompanied by 512GB of onboard storage. There is a special collector's edition model of the Mate X5 that additionally has up to 1 TB of storage. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.